Cartier Banks steps up and paints a very different picture. He says Marcia casually tossed him the keys before a quick food run and that the other driver was the one who ran the red. But that's not all. He claims her cousin called threatening to make him disappear if he didn't cough up cash. Things are already going sideways. The judge raises an eyebrow. Viewers, the vibe here is messy and the blame game is just confusing middle ground. But that murky relationship could change everything. Trust was involved, and Marcia handed him the keys. The judge isn't letting that detail slide. Was this blind trust or poor judgment wrapped in flirtation? The legal line between friendly and foolish is about to be tested. Recounts the crash, claiming Cartier ran the light. But here's the problem, she also admits she wasn't watching the road. She says something made her look up, but it was already too late. The judge immediately catches this contradiction. You say he ran the red, yet you weren't even looking? Her hesitation and vague memory are doing her no favors. In this courtroom, I think isn't good enough when you're accusing someone of negligence. Neither of them wore seatbelts. That's right, no one in the car was buckled up. Both got slammed, she hit the dashboard, he hit the wheel. The judge presses further, was he speeding? Marcia says he tried to beat the light. If that's true, it paints a picture of recklessness. But now we've got injury claims, no insurance, and no seatbelts. This case is spiraling, and we haven't even seen the police report yet. No. Cartier's version? Utter chaos. He insists his light was yellow and the other driver's was red. The judge makes him act it out in court, literally. He walks through a confusing mess of speeding cars and stoplights that doesn't quite add up. He even admits to speeding up to make the light. That one admission might cost him the whole case. The more he tries to explain, the more his story falls apart. It's a verbal car crash of its own.
Right, what are the couple of tickets that you got?
Then comes the hammer. Cartier got 2 tickets, no license, no insurance. But here's the twist, Marcia didn't have insurance either. That's right, both of them were breaking the law. The judge can hardly believe what she's hearing. They try to laugh it off, but there's nothing funny about this. The courtroom tension is real, and this duo is sinking fast. They both look reckless, and now it's just a matter of who's legally more at fault. The judge asks, did either of you read the police report? The answer? A hard no. Not even the plaintiff's mom had reviewed it before court. But here's the bombshell, the report lists a third car involved. Neither party had any clue. That's right, they caused a 3-car collision and didn't even realize it. It's negligence on a new level. The courtroom falls silent. The case has officially gone from sloppy to explosive report, and it's brutal. 3 separate witnesses all say Cartier ran the red light. One even claims he swerved into a bike lane to pass stopped cars. That's reckless on every level. Now it's not just Marcia's word, it's public witnesses and unbiased observers backing her up. Cartier's story completely crumbles under pressure. The verdict's not in yet, but the damage, both physical and legal, is clear. Crash aftermath. She didn't go to the hospital, but claims injuries kept her from working at a nightclub. Bruises killed her allure, she says. The judge raises an eyebrow. A black eye doesn't hold much weight without real medical proof. She says customers won't tip a bruised bottle girl. The judge seems unconvinced. Emotional appeal aside, the courtroom only deals in facts, and the facts are shaky at best. Cartier owes $2,205, $2,000 for the totaled Impala and $205 for towing. But Marcia's wage loss claim? Denied. The judge bluntly suggests she wear more makeup next time. It's a tough reality check, looks won't win lawsuits. This case wasn't just about liability, it was a crash course in personal responsibility. Both sides came in sloppy, and one left with the bill. The law doesn't care about excuses.